Hello, this is Lynn to give a huge shout out for Adelle Brianne of amazingandhelpful.com. She has been with me since the setup of my website and business concurrently, and I have heavily relied on her expertise. The thing that I really have appreciated with her from the get go is her patience with me in explaining my options and trying to dovetail that, and always succeeding actually, in dovetailing what I want with the best options for the business itself. And she explains everything to me very succinctly. And the other thing that comes with that territory is that with Adelle, I feel like her personal integrity is always present in her business expertise, her business competence. And for me, that means the world because I want to be operating with someone who I could ultimately see as a friend of mine and who matches my values personally as well as does my business well and does the job that I hired her to do. So I highly recommend her. I would never have been able to do as well as I have without her, and I intend to keep employing her for as long as she'll have me. Thank you for listening.